Hello, my name is Shant Hagopian, and I'm the owner and operator of Low Price Auto Glass here in Dublin, California. Here at Low Price Auto Glass, we provide many different services, from any auto glass replacement needs to windshield camera calibration to window tinting for your auto, resident, or commercial tint. Our company that we use is Gard, which is a St. Gobain secured company, USA made film. They offer their entry-level budget-friendly film as well as our premium ceramic heat-blocking film. I started off the company with myself and one technician. We originally just started off doing auto glass replacement. After 5-6 years, we decided to add automotive window tinting to our services, followed by camera calibration for windshield replacements, and more recently, in the last 5-6 years, we've added residential and commercial window tinting. We range from many different cars. We do Teslas, Hondas, Toyotas, any domestic vehicle, any foreign vehicle, any glass that we could get our hands on, including older vehicles as well. We do commercial properties. We come out to small businesses that have storefront windows that they need, homes that people just moved into, brand new builds, bought a new house and whatnot, and they're looking to do window tinting and bigger projects. We've done some schools, any auto glass and any window tinting services that you need that we can handle. Recently, we had a customer who contacted us. They had just moved into a new home in Dublin, and they were them and their kids were getting annoyed by the sun glaring at them from one specific side of the house. So we sent out one of our techs to go out there, take a look at the situation, and give them some recommendations. They ended up going with, I believe, a ceramic 35% on that side of the building of their home, and they're more than satisfied. They're very pleased, and they actually referred another neighbor to me, and we're lining that up to get that done as well. For any of your auto glass needs, automotive window tinting needs, or residential commercial window tinting needs, please reach out to us at Low Price Auto Glass in Dublin. We cover the entire Bay Area. No job is too small or too big. Please give us a call today.